When it comes to insurance, could you just talk briefly about the how insurance can impact people's lives?
Sure. I mean, I could talk about this all day, but that's one of the biggest components of financial planning when we were talking about expecting the unexpected. So, to be very blunt, if your plan is that everything's going to go according to plan, then you don't really have a plan. So, you get in your car to go to your destination, you wear your seatbelt, you make sure there's a spare tire. And again, you're on the longest, most important journey of your life when it comes to your finances. So you should be expecting that maybe something doesn't go exactly according to plan. That's where insurance comes in. And it's not just insurance, there's all kinds of risk management we do daily with our portfolios. So when I complete a plan, we usually look at it and ask ourselves what could go wrong. So we're looking at this plan and it's like this table and it's got these four legs and we go and shake each leg and see if any of them wobbles or not. What happens if somebody loses their job? What if happens if they get sick? What happens if they get disabled? And these are usually the things that you could deal with insurance, but there's other factors. What happens if interest rates go up? What happens when other you know, uh, events happen. So some of these things we could easily manage with financial management techniques, like portfolio management techniques, or just something as simple as getting a fixed rate mortgage on your house. Um, Other things we can sell off to an insurance company and sell that risk off to them. Other things we can mitigate by, for example, just building in a cushion into the plan using conservative assumptions, lower than expected rate of return, higher than expected inflation, nice long life expectancy so you don't outlive your savings. And then there are other risks that we just simply cannot mitigate or are just frankly too economical. And we acknowledge them. And that's why we do the updates every few years to the plans as well to make sure that we're current on everything.